Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Tuesday, August the 1st, and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video, we'll be looking at the charts of the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, commonly known as the Swissy. What we'll see is that looking at the weekly, there's a broad trading channel. We're presently down towards the lower boundary of this channel. We'll see in the daily, that momentum has picked up and that there could be a short-term rally away from this lower boundary. Let's look at the charts. So here we are on the daily, and as usual, each candle represents 1 day's trade. And you can see that we've bounced up from the low levels that were reached last week, and we're now up to a resistance level, which is because of the 50-day moving average. That's moving down and is causing this consolidation. What we can see on the RSI is that we've picked up and we're back above 50. We've broken the downtrend that was in place, got quite a steep uptrend, which shows positive momentum. And also the MACD have turned around, short term above the long term. They're both below zero, but they're moving up towards that level. And another interesting factor, on the rally, the volumes were good. You can see the uptick on the average volume there, which is a good sign. So I would say, although we're up to this resistance, that further upside from the daily should be expected. Looking at the weekly, here, as I was talking about it in the intro, there's a broad trading channel. You can see it up here with these resistances at about the 103 level, and then at the lower boundary we're through here, which is at about the 9.95 level. And you can see that we're just near the lower boundary of that channel. In fact, it's probably dictated by the 200 week moving average there, which you saw that we've been down to over the last couple of weeks, tested that level. That's a support level, so it's positive that we're still above it. So we're towards the lower boundary. That does give scope for some short-term upside. On this chart, I'd say that would take us maybe to the 20-week at 9.979. RSI does seem to be trying to break its downtrend, but it's still below 50 at 43.84, and the MACD still tracking down, but they're together now, so keep an eye on that. On the 4-hour chart, the rally was very positive. It was good that we pulled back to the 20 average and then pushed on through the 50. The 20 and the 50 have now created a golden cross. That was on the 27th of July, which bodes well. We're now back to the support of the 20, perhaps slightly overextended from the 50. Allow that to catch up. At that point, the 200 may be moving around as well, so keep an eye on that. On the RSI, it was good that it reached a peak on the peak there. It's drifting off since then, but still above 50, and the MACD have drifted off as well, so keep an eye on those. We seem to have lost the short-term momentum on this 4-hour chart. That needs to come back before maybe we get the push-up as I described on the daily chart. Looking at the support resistances, resistance at 97.71, 98.08, with support at the 20-day 95.99, and then 94.91. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the Swissy. The key takeaways from the video should be that we're towards the lower channel boundary on the weekly. There is some resistance to the upside, but the short-term momentum is positive, and from that daily I do expect further short-term upside. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. Please remember, these videos are my opinions and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.